Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put y square go to the left, ds go to the right. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. Now, I need to concentrate on this one. So, we need to use about integration by substitution. So, I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the root, and we have 1 plus s. Later that, because we have s, so I will put number 1 go to the left. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have to use. We just apply the power rule of the derivative. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0 in here. This one we have number 1, so we have ds. The square root we change by u. S we change by this one. ds we change by this one. So u and u we cancel. Number 2 I will put in here. So the integration of u square, we have u to the power of 3 over 3. Number 1 that is about u, and then I will put about c. About u that is about this one. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one that is about this one. So the integration of y square, we have y to the power of 3 over 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.